Hello everyone. So massive spoilers for One Piece chapter 1182 are sending the fandom into complete chaos right now because the series may have just introduced a terrifying new god level threat that could actually be stronger than Monkey D. Luffy himself. And if that sounds impossible after everything Luffy has achieved recently, the newest chapter somehow makes it feel very real. Ever since Luffy awakened his devil fruit powers and transformed into the legendary sun god Nika, fans have basically viewed him as one of the strongest beings in the entire One Piece world. After defeating Kaido, surviving battles against the world government, and unlocking Gear 5, Luffy has felt almost untouchable. The world environment feared Nika for centuries for a reason, and the story repeatedly treated Luffy's awakening like the return of an almost mythical force capable of changing the entire world. By chapter 1182 may have just revealed that even Nika is not the ultimate power in One Piece universe. The shocking revelation comes during the chaos surrounding Imu's Omen and Killingham's new ability. After receiving a power boost, Killingham accidentally summons something known as a sleep tide representing the rain god Zaza, and the results are absolutely terrifying. According to the chapter, Zaza is one of the few entities feared by the Celestian dragons on the same level as Nika and the mysterious Will of D. That detail alone completely changes the power scale of the series. For years, the world government's greatest fear revolved around Joy Boy, Nika, and D Clan. Those were always treated as the ultimate threats capable of destroying the existing world order. But now One Piece is revealing that another god exists at that same terrifying level and possibly even above it. And the craziest part is that fans still haven't seen the real Zaza yet. The chapter only shows a manifestation created through Killingham's sleep tide ability, but even that version instantly floods an entire village on Elbaf. Entire areas are overwhelmed by water within moments, completely shifting the battle in favor of Holy Knights. And for Devil Fruit users, this is basically a nightmare scenario because water itself is already one of their greatest weakness. That's why fans are calling Zaza potentially more dangerous than anything Luffy has faced so far. Luffy's godlike strength means nothing if he's trapped inside massive floods or fighting a literal water god capable of controlling oceans and storms. Even Gear 5 may not be enough against a being whose powers naturally counter Devil Fruit themselves. What makes this reveal even more important is how perfectly it connects to One Piece final saga and the mysterious Harley text introduced earlier in the story. The Harley text hinted that multiple gods existed beyond Nika, but fans didn't fully understand how important they would become. Now, chapter 1182 makes it look like the final war of One Piece may not simply be pirate versus the world government anymore. Instead, it could become a full scale clash between godlike powers tied to the very creation and destruction of the world itself. And honestly, that possibility changes everything. According to the Harley text, previous conflicts involving gods supposedly reshaped the world and led to entirely new eras being born. If that pattern continues, then the final saga of One Piece could literally determine the future structure of the planet itself. This is no longer just a treasure hunt or a pirate adventure. Eiichiro Oda appears to be transforming the story into an apocalyptic mythological war involving ancient divine forces. The Elbaf arc especially keeps escalating at an insane pace. Every new chapter introduces bigger mysteries, stronger enemies, and more connections to the hidden history of the world. Fans originally expected Elbaf to focus heavily on giant lore and Shanks related revelations, but now it's becoming clear that the arc may actually serve as the bridge into One Piece endgame mythology. And if Zaza truly exists as a complete god level entity somewhere in the world, then Luffy may soon face an enemy unlike anything he has ever encountered before. Kaido represented raw physical dominance, Imu represents political and mysterious power, but Zaza feels different entirely, more ancient, more cosmic, and potentially closer to a force of nature than a normal character. At this point, One Piece chapter 1182 has successfully done something fans thought was nearly impossible after Gear 5. It made Luffy look vulnerable again. Thank you for watching. Bye.